Hi students, welcome to ELA 22. My name is Shauna Arnaud and I will be your teacher for this quarter. Please call me Shauna, that's my first name. I am from Canada. I am Canadian. I am 53 years old. My birthday is April 13th, 1968. I am married. My husband's name is Tim. We have one son. He is 13 years old. His name is Zach. We also have one dog. Her name is Lexi. And we have one cat. His name is Socrates, or Saki for short. We live in Everett. We live close to Mukilteo. That is some information about me. And now, after you finish watching this video, you see some questions. You need to introduce yourself to me and the other students. Thanks, everybody. Welcome to ELA 22.